How does Samsung TV Plus work? Samsung TV Plus is a free ad-supported streaming service, FAST, that provides live TV channels and on-demand content without a subscription. It is pre-installed on Samsung Smart TVs and available on select Galaxy devices and web browsers. Users can access a variety of entertainment, news, sports, and lifestyle channels without needing cable or satellite services. 1. Free streaming with no subscription. Samsung TV Plus operates on an AVOD model, meaning users can watch content for free while seeing occasional ads. Unlike paid streaming services, there are no signups, fees, or contracts required. 2. Live TV and on-demand content. The platform offers hundreds of live TV channels covering news, sports, movies, and entertainment. Additionally, users can stream on-demand shows and films, similar to traditional cable TV, but without monthly charges. Third, pre-installed on Samsung devices. Samsung TV Plus comes pre-installed on Samsung Smart TVs, 2016 and newer, select Galaxy smartphones and tablets, and even some Samsung refrigerators with screens. Users can also access it via a web browser on non-Samsung devices. Fourth, ad-supported business model. Since the service is free, it generates revenue through advertisements shown during live programming and on-demand content. These ads function like commercials on regular TV, allowing Samsung to keep the platform cost-free for users. 5. Simple interface and navigation. Samsung TV Plus features an easy-to-use guide, similar to traditional TV channel lineups. Users can scroll through live channels, browse categories, and select content with minimal setup. 6. No extra hardware or external apps needed. Unlike streaming devices such as Roku or Fire Stick, Samsung TV Plus does not require additional hardware. Users only need a Samsung Smart TV or compatible device and an internet connection to start watching. Samsung TV Plus offers a hassle-free, subscription-free streaming experience with live channels and on-demand content. With built-in availability on Samsung devices, ad-supported access, and a user-friendly interface, it serves as a convenient alternative to traditional cable and paid streaming services.